Welcome to Like Health. Are you over 50 and starting to feel your strength fading? Finding it harder to carry groceries, climb stairs, or move like you used to? It's not just aging, it's a silent condition called sarcopenia, and it starts earlier than most people realize. After 50, you can lose up to 1% of muscle mass every year, without even noticing. But here's the truth, you can fight back, and it's easier than you think. There's one daily habit that can slow, stop, and even reverse muscle loss. No gym memberships, no supplements, and no intense workouts needed. Just a simple change, and your muscles will stay stronger for years to come. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do and why it works. So keep watching, your strength, independence, and energy depend on it. First tip. Start with 15 minutes of resistance exercises daily. The number one way to stop muscle loss after 50 is simple: resistance training. You don't need weights or machines, just your body weight is enough to begin. Exercises like squats, wall push-ups, and leg lifts gently challenge your muscles. When you do them consistently, your body responds by building and maintaining muscle. Research shows that even just 15 minutes a day can significantly slow muscle wasting. It also improves your balance, joint health, and metabolism. Start small. Even 5 repetitions per exercise is a great beginning. Over time, your strength and stamina will noticeably improve. Think of it as medicine, but with no side effects. And the best part? You can do it right in your living room. Second tip. Prioritize protein in every meal. After 50, your body needs more protein to maintain the same muscle mass. But most people don't get enough, especially at breakfast and lunch. Protein is the building block your muscles rely on to repair and grow. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of high-quality protein per meal. Foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, lentils, chicken, and tofu are excellent choices. And don't forget plant-based sources. They're packed with nutrients and fiber too. Spacing your protein throughout the day is more effective than eating it all at dinner. Studies show that this simple habit directly reduces age-related muscle loss. It also keeps you full longer and helps with weight control. Strong muscles truly begin in the kitchen. Third tip. Stay active throughout the day, not just during exercise. Even if you work out for 30 minutes, sitting all day can still weaken your muscles. That's why it's crucial to keep moving in small bursts throughout the day. Take short walks, stretch, do light chores, or simply stand up every hour. These little movements add up and keep your muscles engaged and active. It also improves blood flow, balance, and coordination, all key as we age. Experts call this NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and it works. Studies show it can make a big difference in preserving strength after 50. Try setting a timer to remind yourself to move every 45 to 60 minutes. Your muscles don't like long periods of stillness, and neither does your heart. Movement is medicine, so take it all day long. Fourth tip. Don't skip sleep, it's when muscles repair and grow. Many people over 50 focus on diet and exercise, but forget about sleep. Your muscles actually recover and rebuild while you sleep, not while you work out. Poor sleep disrupts hormone levels, especially growth hormone and testosterone. These are essential for maintaining lean muscle and preventing fat gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet to support deep sleep cycles. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed. Blue light blocks melatonin. If you snore or wake up tired, talk to your doctor. Sleep apnea is common over 50. Better sleep means better recovery, stronger muscles, and more energy. Don't underestimate it. Sleep is your body's natural repair system. Fifth tip. Stay hydrated. Your muscles depend on water. Muscle tissue is made up of nearly 75% water, yet many seniors stay mildly dehydrated. Even a small drop in hydration can lead to muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue. Water helps transport nutrients to your muscles and flushes out waste products. Without it, Recovery slows down and muscles can shrink faster with age. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active or in hot weather. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint if plain water feels boring. Soups, fruits, and herbal teas also count toward your hydration. If you're feeling tired or stiff, drink a glass of water. It might surprise you. Strong muscles aren't just about exercise, they need proper fluids too. Hydration is one of the easiest ways to protect your body after 50. Sixth tip. Get enough vitamin D, it fuels muscle strength. Vitamin D isn't just for bones, it plays a critical role in muscle function too. Low levels can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and even frequent falls. As we age, our skin makes less vitamin D from sunlight, especially after 50. That's why many seniors become deficient without realizing it. Spend 10 to 20 minutes in the morning sun, if possible, a few times a week. Also include foods like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified milk in your diet. In some cases, your doctor may recommend a supplement. Get your levels checked. Studies show that maintaining proper vitamin D can significantly improve muscle strength. It also helps your immune system, mood, and energy levels. Think of it as sunlight for your muscles, inside and out. Seventh tip. Manage stress. Chronic stress breaks down muscle. Stress isn't just mental, it has serious effects on your physical health too. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces high levels of cortisol. This hormone, over time, breaks down muscle tissue and stores fat instead. It also disrupts sleep, lowers motivation, and drains your energy for exercise. That's why managing stress is a key part of staying strong after 50. Try deep breathing, meditation, walking in nature, or even listening to calming music. Just 10 minutes a day of relaxation can lower cortisol and protect your muscles. Don't ignore how you feel. Your emotional health affects your body more than you think. Strong muscles begin with a calm and balanced mind. Less stress, more strength, that's the goal. Eighth tip. Avoid crash diets. They steal your muscle, not just fat. Losing weight quickly after 50 might seem tempting, but it can backfire. Crash diets or extreme calorie cuts often cause muscle loss instead of fat loss. This weakens your body, slows metabolism, and increases the risk of falls. Muscle is your most valuable asset as you age. Don't sacrifice it for quick results. Instead, focus on slow, steady fat loss with enough protein and movement. A balanced diet with lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs is key. Also, make sure you're eating enough calories to fuel your body properly. Remember, the scale doesn't tell the whole story. Strength matters more than numbers. Protect your muscle, protect your independence. Healthy aging is about preservation, not deprivation. Ninth tip. Add omega-3s to your diet. They protect muscles and joints. Omega-3 fatty acids do more than support your heart. They help preserve muscle mass too. They reduce inflammation, which is a silent enemy of muscles and joints as you age. Research shows that omega-3s can actually enhance muscle protein synthesis in older adults. They also support faster recovery after exercise and reduce stiffness and soreness. Great sources include fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Plant-based options like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts also provide omega-3s. You can also ask your doctor about high-quality fish oil supplements if needed. Including omega-3s regularly can make your muscles stronger and your joints more mobile. It's a small habit with powerful long-term benefits. Strong muscles love healthy fats, so feed them wisely. 10th tip. Stay socially active. It keeps you moving and motivated. Believe it or not, loneliness can lead to muscle loss. When you're isolated, you move less, eat poorly, and lack motivation to stay active. Social interaction boosts your mood, encourages daily routines, and gets you moving. Join a walking group, take a dance class, or exercise with a friend. Even regular phone calls or video chats can lift your energy and reduce stress. Staying socially engaged also reduces inflammation and supports better sleep. It keeps your brain sharp and your body strong. A true win-win. Healthy aging isn't just physical, it's emotional and social too. Your muscles thrive when your spirit does. So stay connected, and stay strong. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new